See that building there? That is Cheshire Correctional Facility. I am so honored to be able to come from behind those walls speaking to those inmates there. It is this unit called True, the True unit. Yes, it's 50 inmates that's mentees in this program that was like duplicated from Germany. Oh my goodness, I'm so honored to be the first solo woman to go speak to those mentees about financial literacy. When I said they were so amazed and just, I left there with those inmates being empowered by financial literacy. That unit is not your typical unit. Oh my goodness, it's duplicated from Germany, the first unit to be successful for inmates ages between 18 and 25. When I said I walked through those doors, the furthest I've ever been in a prison was like the visitors room. Oh my goodness. I just don't even know like where to start. The phenomenal feeling, like just they were regular people and they interacted so well. They took my speech and just they were really moved. I'm really kind of not speechless, but more this is a different type of environment that I did speaking engagement at, and talked about my book Wealth is a Mindset. My book is already in the facility in their library, and the inmates already have read my book, and it's just floating around the unit. And it's not a general population. Like if you like YouTube it, it's been on the news here in Connecticut. The last couple of days, it's nationwide. It's getting so much publicity of the first unit to be successful like this. It's just, my goodness. So I'm so honored. I'll be back. I have to go back there in about an hour to speak and do some more activities. I was able to sit with them and they had lots of questions. They're like writing business plans. They're doing so much in there. And you just don't understand. True unit. Do the research. It was 150 people there yesterday.